Hello guys, in this video we will be unboxing an LCD writing tablet. So this thing is eco-friendly, no paper and no chalk is used over here. And the battery will last for 2 years. This thing saves up to 1 lakh paper. There are a lot of color variations but I have chosen the black one. Now let's unbox it. As you can see, this is the front side of it. This comes with a pen which you can open like this, and this is the delete button. So you can draw anything on it like this and delete it using the delete button. Here I am writing my name over here. In the back side, you can lock the drawing with the lock button. Now if you press the delete button, it will not delete. Now if you again unlock it, then you can delete it. Now I am going to draw on it. This thing is great for writing notes and also for doing maths. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.